Why do you want to fight?
What you talking about? I just told you why.
No, you didn't, Donnie. Why do you want to fight? I get why they want to fight you. I know what they're fighting for. What about you?
You know, the new year is coming and we're all ready for a fresh start. A new beginning. Resolutions, they're being made, but what is going to make this year different than all the rest? This year, fight. Fight for what you're passionate about. Fight for what drives you. Fight for the things you love and the things you love to do. Make a list of at least 3 things you're going to do this year. Not 3 things you want to do or need to do. 3 things that you're going to do this year. Write it down with the words, I will, not I want. Hold yourself accountable and make that change. You know, I accomplished so much more this year than I ever thought I would. And that has motivated me to push even harder in this upcoming year. I hope you feel that want, that drive to do the same. You know, bottom line, make this your year.